Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove AC control unit on Volkswagen Passat B6 and CC in just 5 simple steps. First, you have to remove the plastic frame from the radio CD unit using a trim tool. You can find this trim tool set in the video description below. So first we will remove the frame from the CD radio unit. But you can do it without remove the frame from the radio CD. But in this way it's much easier to remove the frame from the unit control, from the AC control unit. Then after you remove the frame, disconnect the connector from the airbag warning light. You just have to squeeze those two tabs to remove the connector. Then, if you can see, it's much easier to remove the AC control unit frame. You can open the ashtray to remove it more easier. Then you have to remove those 4 T20 Torx screws. One on the right, the other one on the left, and 2 at the bottom. Then take the AC panel out and disconnect all the connectors from the back. To remove it, you just have to pull that red plastic out and then push that tab to remove it. It's very simple. You just have to use a flat blade screwdriver to pull that red plastic out, and then pull the tab and take the connector out. And that's it. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.